doesn't matter how careful you are, your car is going to get dinged and dented, and that can put a dent in your budget. The thing is, you can't keep your car sealed in a bubble, and you probably don't want to park in the furthest away from everyone's space. But you can protect your car with Paintless Dent Repair. Keep your car looking as new as the day you bought it, with unlimited repairs that remove dings and dents on the vertical panels without harming your vehicle's paint. So park where you like and be ready for anything with Paintless Dent Repair.